Yeah, we're going to do one quick seat swap and get one more contact and we'll be done.
A United States Air Force rivet joint is approaching for an in-flight refuel. It's an old aircraft with a strange name, converted from a Boeing airliner from the 1960s.
What are you guys showing for that offload?
But the strange bulges on its fuselage contain the world's latest and most advanced military surveillance technology.
Yeah, we're going to do one quick seat swap and get one more contact and we'll be done.
The refueling will allow it to extend its patrol over one of the most geopolitically tense regions of our planet. Inside, the highly trained crew of 30 are eavesdropping on hostile activity deep into enemy territory. But they are not over the Black Sea or Ukraine, nor over the South China Sea or the Middle East. Instead, this refueling is taking place over the Arctic.
Well, copies are down at Palm Rock here, 265. Thanks for the help, guys.
27,000 feet below lies this, an often forgotten part of our world, largely uninhabited, out of sight, out of mind, until now. Yet unseen and unreported, the world's military powers are flexing their muscles across this wilderness, building tension and ramping up the geopolitical temperature. 2024 saw NATO hold its largest ever military exercise in the Arctic, with over 20,000 troops from over 13 member nations and hundreds of warplanes and naval forces deployed across the region. German Army Patriot missile deployments deep into the Arctic Circle, US Marine Corps Ospreys in the skies over northern Sweden, Italian warships patrolling in Arctic fjords, American artillery units training in Finland, Norwegian Air Force fighters on high alert in Iceland. So what's going on? Why are Western nations increasing their military presence in a vast region that is largely uninhabited when there is an actual war further south in Europe? And why are the Russians and Chinese doing the same? Holding their first joint naval exercise in the region in 2023, testing hypersonic cruise missiles and building new military bases. Why are we arming the Arctic? Something is fueling this new Arctic arms race more powerfully and irreversibly than simple superpower rivalry or the war in Ukraine. So what is changing? The answer is the climate. The glaciers of Greenland are collapsing. And each summer, more and more of the Arctic ice sheet becomes open water. But behind the threat to the environment and the wildlife is a more insidious and dangerous impact that is destabilizing and driving the militarization of the top of the world. For as the ice melts, vast reserves of valuable natural resources are being exposed. Oil and gas, seabed minerals, and fish. As the ice retreats, it is also opening up vital new commercial shipping routes across the top of the